Today we're going to be talking about verifying identities using the trig identities we already know. We're going to be using the reciprocal identities, which are 1 over cosine, which is the same thing as secant, 1 over sine, which is the same thing as cosecant, 1 over secant, which is the same thing as cosine, 1 over cosecant, which is the same thing as sine, 1 over tangent, which is the same thing as cotangent, and 1 over cotangent, which is the same thing as tangent. We're also going to be using the quotient identities, which say that tangent is equal to sine over cosine, and cotangent is equal to cosine over sine. We're also going to use the Pythagorean identities. So sine squared plus cosine squared equals 1. One plus tan squared is equal to secant squared, and 1 plus cotangent squared is equal to cosecant squared. And the last one are the even and odd identities, which say that sine of a negative x equals negative sine x. Cosine of a negative x is the same thing as cosine x. Cosecant of a negative x is equal to negative cosecant x. Secant of negative x is equal to secant x. Tangent of a negative x is equal to negative tan x. And cotangent of a negative x is equal to negative cotangent x. So these are the identities we're going to be using today. You have them already. We've done this before. We're just going to be applying them in a different way. Let's look at our first example. I want to verify that this left side is the same thing as this right side. So the way I like to do it is I like to start from the side that looks most complex, which is this left side, and I replace everything I can with sine and cosine. So secant x, I'll go back to my table. Secant, oh, that's 1 over cosine. So I replace it, 1 over cosine x. Cotangent, let's check. Like I said, I want it with cosine and sine. So cotangent is right here. It is cosine divided by sine. Whoops. Then I start simplifying. Cosine cancels with cosine, and I'm left with 1 over sine. I can go back to my table and look. 1 over sine, 1 over sine. Oh, here it is. 1 over sine, and it equals cosecant. So 1 over sine x equals cosecant x. I check. This is exactly the same as what I started out with on the right side here. Therefore, it has been verified.